A stray dog in Turkey spent hours each day fixated on a sewer grate along a busy pedestrian street. Unusual behavior that went unnoticed by most passers-by. The skinny German shepherd ignored the tantalizing meat at a nearby butcher shop, instead keeping watch over the drainage opening. When kind-hearted local Annie stopped to feed the hungry dog, she was puzzled when it carried the food away rather than eating it immediately. This pattern repeated for days until Annie's curiosity led her to follow the stray, only to witness it dropping portions of food through the grate before consuming the rest. Determined to solve the mystery, Annie peered into the dark sewer and was stunned by her discovery. She immediately called rescue services, who arrived to find the protective dog growling at their approach. With Annie's help calming the stray, firefighters removed the grate and extracted 5 tiny, shivering kittens who had been washed into the drainage system during heavy rains. The emotional scene revealed the stray's secret. It had been sharing its meager meals with the trapped felines for who knows how long. Deeply moved by the dog's extraordinary compassion, Annie took in both the heroic shepherd and all 5 kittens. After nursing them back to health, she found loving homes for 4 of the cats but kept 1 kitten and her new canine companion, giving these unlikely friends the safe, happy ending they deserved. The remarkable story of survival and interspecies kindness left the entire community in awe of the stray's selfless actions.